Fluffy pancake recipe, light and airy breakfast delight. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1¼ cups milk, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons melted butter, plus extra for cooking, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula or spoon until just combined. The batter should be slightly lumpy. Don't overmix, as this can make the pancakes dense. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease with butter or cooking spray. Once the pan is hot, pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface of the pancake and the edges look set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the pancake and cook for another 1–2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Remove from the pan and keep warm while you cook the remaining pancakes. Serve with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, butter, fresh berries, or whipped cream. Don't overmix the batter. Overmixing can cause the pancakes to be tough. Stir just until the wet and dry ingredients are combined. Let the batter rest. Allow the batter to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps activate the baking powder and creates more air bubbles. Use buttermilk. If you have buttermilk on hand, it can make the pancakes even fluffier. Substitute the milk with an equal amount of buttermilk. Enjoy your fluffy pancakes.